Difference between learned helplessness and self-efficacy. Look at these pictures. Learned helplessness. Look at this. Then self-efficacy. A detail going on. Learned helplessness is a psychological state in which person believe they have no control over outcomes due to repeated exposure to uncontrollable or negative situations, leading to passivity and reduced motivation. Self-efficacy, it is the belief in one's ability to successfully perform tasks and achieve desired goals through effort and effective strategies. A difference between one definition. Learned helplessness, a psychological state of believing that one's actions have no effect on outcomes. But self-efficacy, a belief in one's own ability to perform tasks and achieve goals. Two, origin. Learned helplessness develops after repeated exposure to uncontrollable or negative events, but self-efficacy develops from mastery, experiences, observing role models, and receiving encouragement. 3. Mindset. Learned helplessness, no matter what I do, it would not work, but self-efficacy, if I try and use the right approach, I can succeed. 4. Motivation. Learned helplessness leads to low or no motivation to act, but self-efficacy increases motivation and willingness to take action. 5. Behavior. Learned helplessness results in passivity, withdrawal, and avoidance of challenges, but self-efficacy promotes persistence, effort, and problem-solving behavior. 6. Emotional impact. Learned helplessness often linked with hopelessness, depression, and anxiety, but self-efficacy linked with confidence, optimism, and resilience. 7. Response to failure. Learned helplessness sees failure as proof of inability, but self-efficacy sees failure as feedback for improvement. 8. Perception of control. Learned helplessness belief of having little or no control over events, but self-efficacy belief of having significant personal control over outcomes. 9. Impact on goals. Learned helplessness avoid goal setting or sets very low goals. But self-efficacy sets challenging goals and work towards them. 10. Long-term effect. Learned helplessness can cause ongoing cycles of inaction and underachievement. But self-efficacy leads to continuous growth and achievement. Thank you. Have a nice day.